This is insanity. Hey everybody, Blackout here, and I just wanted to show you this ridiculousness. This is the snow. There's my car. There is a massive blizzard going on in New York City. Oh, that's cold. That's cold. It's about 2:30 a.m. so I figured I'd get it before people try moving it. Crazy amounts of snow. Now it's very interesting for visual people out there. Whenever I close my eyes, I usually have this very visual sense, but I am not getting that anymore. It's been really weird. So I'm gonna wait for the storm to clear up and see if it has anything to do with it or not, and I'll give you a report there. But I thought you wanted to see that's pretty nuts. This is New York, Queens. Blackout out.